For this video, I am going to teach you how to download iOS 18 into your iPhone. So before starting, make sure to back up your data first using your iCloud or your computer to prevent any data lost. Be sure also that your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. The update can be large, so Wi-Fi is preferable to avoid using mobile data. Next is to ensure your battery is at least 50% charged or keep your device plugged in during the update. So once you have done all of that, what you need to do next is to go into your settings. So once you are in your settings, just scroll down until you see the general section right there. So once you are in the general, select software update from the options that you have there. So it should be the second option that you have. And then in here, your iPhone will update or will search for the iOS update. So once you have located the iOS 18, so I have mine on the very bottom part of my screen. So tap onto it and then you have here two options. So you can either go for the update now option, or you can also update it tonight if you want to download the update while you are sleeping. So once you have tapped onto the update now button, then you'll need then to type in your passcode. So after you have typed your passcode, the download will or the iOS update will download, and after the download is complete, your phone will restart and begin installing iOS 18. So just make sure that your phone remains charged and connected also to the Wi-Fi during this process. So once your iPhone restarts, it will be running iOS 18 and you'll be able to explore all the new features. And so that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button